Hopewell Open House.
I like the color of the house that.
Quick pan. Ang laki, ang ganda. Yung view mo pag galing sa Masters. First time kong makita to. He and she ginitnaan ng bathtub. So dun na lang daw kayo magkikita sa bathtub.
Hello, fam! Good morning! Good evening and good afternoon.
Yan, maayong buntag, maayong gabi sa inyo ha. We're going to a show home here
Sa
in
South.
the infamous Mahogany. So,
Yes.
sa mga hindi nakakaalam and yung mga hindi taga Calgary, Mahogany is one of the most sought after community.
Yeah.
Kasi malapit siya sa hospital, bago, ang gaganda ng mga bahay, and
Modern.
they have a really nice lake.
Yep.
So, yan ang hinahabol dito.
Yeah.
Sought after talaga to. Mahogany, Auburn Bay, Seaton,
Yeah.
yan yung mga communities na upscale
Dito
para
sa
akin.
Calgary. Yeah.
So,
So
since
dahil
inaya tayo ni Seth and Lai na
correct.
tumingin dyan around daw, why not? Tingin na rin tayo dito. Kasi syempre yung mga friends namin nga, tiga South, kino-convince din kami na mag-South. Kasi
Correct.
nasa North kami ngayon eh.
Yeah.
Medyo malayo, medyo hindi accessible for them and for us then. And also our church kasi ay nasa South din. So if we could na palapitin yung sarili namin sa church, why not? And dun sa mga friends din namin.
Yeah. So malapit na kami. And this is the first time na mag-show home kami dito.
Yeah, sa Mahogany.
Sa Mahogany.
Yeah. First
Let's
time.
see what they have. And
Kung kaya ba,
we're here.
kung medyo patas ba ang quality compared dun sa northeast na Redstone and Cornerstone.
Yep.
So check out
Ayan.
natin kung ano
Here's
yung
some of the
pinagkaiba.
houses,
No?
yeah.
Grabe oh.
Look.
3-car garage.
Diba? Wow.
Ganda.
Ayan.
Yun. Good. Wow, may
The
lake.
lake. The infamous lake. There you go.
I see if the mommy is
And in this side naman, mga duplex ng Mahogany. Yan. There.
Pero kung dito mo siya tinutok lang.
Ayan. Uy, ang laki ng duplex nila ha.
Uy, grabe to oh.
Yeah. Ang taas din nun.
Ganda nun ah.
Ayan. Sinusundan lang natin si Seth and Lai. Kung saan tayo show home.
Open house.
Oh, yeah.
Ganda ng mga street names nila. Magnolia Drive. Meron din oh, Tagalog, Mayaman Drive.
Mayaman.
Hindi,
Oh!
joke lang yung Mayaman Drive.
Sila. Apa. And ito pa yung area na binibuild nila. Ayan, show
Yan
home.
na, Hopewell. Oh, Hopewell yung
Hopewell,
developer.
Ito, tingnan natin. Parang maganda din silang developer. Parang first time natin, Daddy.
Yeah.
We show home sa Hopewell.
Oo.
Nice! Alright!
Nandito na tayo sa Hopewell Open House here in Mahogany. So, dun sa mga previous videos namin, J-Man yun, Cornerstone or Redstone. So, ito naman ay nasa Mahogany naman. And I think medyo madilim kami. Yan.
Yan.
Alright, so we're going to enter now their open house. Gotcha, okay. So, ito parang ano lang to, built for the open house. And pagpasok nyo dito,
This is the main door.
main door to siya.
Meron silang,
Malaking ano dito.
yeah. And then,
Office, open floor. Office,
Na siya. Yeah,
ganito.
laki ng office.
Sobrang laki naman. Mhm. There you go.
And then, this will be the garage
Door.
door.
Ah.
So, meron kayo ditong mudrooms.
Ah.
So, dito yung
Then ito yung pantry. Love, no?
pan. Oo. So, tagusan siya ng pantry.
Tagusan. Ganda. Ganda, laki. And boom!
The kitchen.
Oh, medyo maliit yung island niya, love. Bakit kaya ganito? Pero syempre, bagong-bago yung fridge. Ah, yeah. Doon nila finokus sa office, no? Pero ang ganda nung pagka-finish.
Okay na rin.
Yan, no?
This is my fridge.
Yeah, your dream fridge. And then, ganda nung ganda nung pagka-marble niya, fam, oh. Pero ito parang nakakonsensya naman tulutuan.
Ganda. Dito oh.
Mm-mm. Yeah, ganda, laki. And yeah, homey space. It's a very good space. So, ito, buo to, parang dining area.
And
Of course, the backyard.
window. Yeah, window sa
And
ano.
the
Maganda.
huge
So,
windows.
may natural light ka talaga.
Yeah.
So, decent yung backyard, ano niya,
Mm.
space. And meron na silang,
Oh, deck.
yeah. Which is nice din.
Sama kaya to?
So, decent size din na sa deck,
Mhm,
no?
mhm.
Parang, ang view mo is yung road din.
Yeah.
Nice.
Okay, and then,
And
okay,
then,
quick
living room.
pan tayo, quick pan.
And then yung living room. I like the color of the house that.
Parang white, gold, brown.
I think it's on color.
Ganda, ganda. Tapos doon TV.
Yeah.
Pero parang bahay lang ni na Joseph sa ganda eh. Match lang eh.
Yung bahay nyo, mas malaki pa dito.
Ay, ito pala.
Ano yung meron dyan? Oh yeah, I forgot. The
Powder room.
powder room or half
Powder room.
yeah, half toilet.
Yeah. Powder room. Yep. Really?
Guys need to be careful. Okay, so let's go upstairs. Akit na tayo. Okay, big huge window over there. And oh my
Wow.
bonus room.
The family room.
Bonus room, family room. Ganda.
Dito nga parang may semi-office.
Oh,
na
yeah.
parang Kasi you're facing the window.
Yeah, ganda. Oo, yan na yung magiging office space ko.
Yeah.
Pag nangyaring nanalo tayo ng loto.
Oh, wow!
Then, ito yung common
Common
room.
Common toilet.
Yeah, common toilet rather.
Yeah.
Then,
Dito yung
meron sila ditong
wash. Dito
bath.
yung wash.
Yeah, so typical ano lang naman. Combined shower and bath. Tawag
Ayan,
na.
diba?
Oh, and separate yung toilet. Yan.
Here. So, nice. This is
Ganda.
the first room, Dad.
And pag punta dito sa right, first baby room to.
First
Kasi
common
parang sinet up nila into baby ba to or parang teenager room siguro, no? Yeah.
First
Yan, oh, ang
walk-in
ganda
closet.
nung pagkaka-set up nila, oh.
Yeah. Walk-in closet. Here.
Mm. Yan, parang nasa taas yung nakahiga.
And walk-in closet.
Wow, walk-in closet. Ang laki. Laki ng walk-in closet. And then yung view sa labas.
Mhm. And next is the...
Ano to, masters na ba to?
No, it's a common, ano pa rin. It's
Common
a
room
one
pa rin siya?
common room.
Oh. Huge. Decent. Very decent
Then
size.
Another walk-in
Ganda.
closet.
Then, ang astig ng common room na to, fam. Kasi sobrang laki ng windows niya dito. And then, ito yung view niya. View niya to, lahat. So, for sure, yung nasa gitnang yan, it's either ground yan, or playground,
Yeah.
or park,
And walk-in closet.
and walk-in closet. Laki. Laki ng walk-in closet. Yan, oh, laki ng walk-in closet. Okay, so dito ulit tayo sa aisle. And let's check naman. Okay, so pagka left mo, family room. And dito ay, oh wow! Ito yung laundry room nila. Grabe, ang gara, ang laki.
Ang ganda.
Ang laki.
Yep.
Yes. Thank you. Pag nanalo. Ito ang masters. So this is the master's bedroom. Wow, laki. And syempre, yung view mo pag galing sa masters with huge windows over here, windows over there, and windows over there. Quick pan. Ang laki, ang ganda. And then, let's go to the toilet. Yan. Tingnan mo, nakasmile.
He and she.
Nakasmile na si Donna. And first time kong makita to. He and she, ginitnaan ng bathtub. So, dun na lang daw kayo magkikita sa bathtub ng asawa mo.
And then,
Ganon yung ibig sabihin nun, fam.
meron silang
And then, next here would be a separate toilet. And the dream, this is our dream, standing shower.
and your
Ganda ng pagka-finish. And of course, your huge walk-in closet. So typically talaga love, dapat parang may table na yan siya dito, ano? Or parang island pala sa gitna, no? Ganun yung mga sa mga MTV cribs eh. Yung mga malalaking bahay ng mga artista.
tagusan talaga siya ng watch.
Then, tagusan siya. Dito straight to the laundry room. Or laundry area. So, quick pan natin yung laundry. Laki. And yung ceiling niya din dito, parang magsisimula siguro siya, feeling ko like 9 or 10. And then, pataas siya maybe around 12. So, nakataas siya. Ganda ng bonus room talaga dito. Ganda ng bonus room. Yeah. Mukha na ni Donna, ang laki naman nito. Para sobrang laki na niya. Pero well, kung i-bless naman tayo ng ganito kalaki, love, why not? Yeah, so we're going to the basement. From the kitchen, diretso kayo sa basement. Here. Oh, pwedeng mag-legal suite dito. Yup, so separate entrance. Finished basement. Hopefully finished. No, it's not? Okay. It's not finished, pero sobrang laki. So I could imagine 1, 2 rooms. 2 rooms to siya, love. 2 to 3 kaya. 2 to 3 kaya, no? Isang bahay na talaga, fam. Ayan, no? Ayan siya kalaki, oh. And sorry because we have our kids with us. So medyo maingay. And syempre, laro-laro talaga yan sila lagi. So ayan, ang laki ng basement. Isang buong bahay ang basement nila, fam. Okay, so akyat na tayo. Ayan, so that concludes our open house tour
Here in Mahogany.
here in Mahogany.
One of the dream
So ano ang tingin
community.
nyo, fam? Question is, syempre kung kailangan mo ba ang ganun kadaming space talaga? So my wife's answer is no. It's called
2,000.
Castella
Mahogany.
in Mahogany. Okay. 3 to 5 bedrooms nga nakalagay. Oh.
Mhm.
So that's really huge. So, at least nakapunta na tayo dito sa Mahogany naman na open house. I hope nag-enjoy kayo kahit medyo mabilisan. But then at least may comparison tayo and idea
Mhm.
kung ano yung mukha ng mga townhouse dito sa Southeast, especially in Mahogany, na
Yeah.
sought after community talaga to dito sa Calgary. So it's one of the top
Yeah.
communities here in Calgary. Bago lahat, may lake, madaming playground, madaming activities, madaming restaurants kasi
Yeah.
sobrang lapit lang nung parang shopping center nila dyan.
Mhm.
So yun, hope you guys like it. Thanks for watching again and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Alba Fam Bam YouTube channel and also Facebook. You can check us out there too. Like kayo and follow that same handle, Alba Fam Bam. So, maayong buntag, maayong gabi sa inyong tanandira sa Pilipinas and sa Calgary. Also in Canada, hang loose!